I'm just going to let you know you got a tail light out, that's all. Well, that's kind of rude. Okay.
Videos all the time, man. Do a good job, bro.
I appreciate it. Yeah. That's good.
On YouTube, man. How's it going?
It's going all right.
Hey guys. Okay, so normally I would not bother with an internal affairs complaint over something like this. But this guy just, I don't know, just rubbed me the wrong way. That whole drive away and ignore me thing. Not because he ignored me. I don't care if people ignore me. I actually prefer when people ignore me sometimes. But he didn't even bother to ascertain what it was I wanted. You know, I wasn't videoing. I wasn't trying to make a video. It was just a courtesy thing. But I could have just as easily been walking up there to tell that guy I was having a heart attack, or that there was somebody being murdered, you know, in the bushes behind the parking space, or, you know, anything. And, you know, it's his job when a citizen walks up there to speak to him. It's his job to ascertain what that citizen wants, whether it be something as simple as directions or something as bad as, you know, somebody reporting a murder or a robbery. You know, right is right. And this is the job. And if they're afraid of me because I walk up with a camera in my hand, which wasn't turned on or even pointed at him, you know, if they're afraid of doing the job because of cameras, well, then they should quit, because there's dash cameras on their vehicle. They're getting body cameras. There's cameras all over that parking lot. The city has cameras at the intersection there where you first saw him pull in. The cameras are everywhere. The only difference is I have my camera. The government's not controlling it. And that seems to be where these guys are objectionable to them. So anyway, I went to make an internal affairs complaint. And here is that. Yes, I'm standing at the front door trying to get in to make a complaint. Sure. Yes, right at the front door where it says public entrance, but it's not open. Okay, bye. Good.
Deputy Cisneros, who are you?
Who am I? I'm a citizen here to make a complaint.
Awesome. Come on.
Oh, all right. Thought you were fixing to give me a hard time.
No.
You already know who I am. I know you know who I am.
I have no idea who you are.
I'm the camera guy that annoys you guys.
I don't think it's annoying.
Well, I'm glad that you feel that way. Unfortunately, there's some others that don't. It won't take but just a couple minutes to do the complaint.
No, it's about an hour process. We have to sit down, get you in a video room. And we're going to talk to you to see what your complaint is.
All right.
Once you give us your complaint, then we have to type it out. Once we type it out, you read it, you sign it, and then you can be on your way. But usually it lasts about an hour and a half.
I think that's excessive for what the complaint is. I just had one of your deputies that was just kind of unprofessional with me.
Okay, what is it? We'll talk inside. Let's talk inside.
Well, I mean, it's no big deal. I'll tell you right out here because I've got the whole thing on video. Of course, body camera. But I believe he's going to be your criminal justice patrol, one of your patrols here that do parking.
Did you get a... Oh, you said you have a...
22941 is his vehicle number.
Are we in?
Okay. Okay, are we going any place that is sensitive or controlled access? Because my body camera is rolling.
We're going into the internal affairs office, so yeah, I mean...
Okay, I'll turn the camera off. Okay. Now, some of you are going to complain because I turned the cameras off, but here's the thing. I'm going into an area where there are other citizens making complaints. Some of them are witnesses against deputies, and I'm not going to compromise their security for the purpose of this video. So, yes, I did shut off my cameras. Complaint was made, and I'll update you guys as the process goes on. That's it. I'll see y'all again soon.